But I never know them would I get so excited. Right? Mr. Speaker, I heard Sotavache. I comment, so what? I'm going to tell you so what. Right? I'm going to tell you why this matter. I'm going to tell you why it matters to Yvonne and her 2 grandchildren. Because when she come to Spanish Town at 5 o'clock in the morning, she wait 1 hour on the JUTC bus. She can't get the JUTC bus with her 2 children. She have to go and jump in the coaster and pay $250 to go to school. And the money that she was going to give the 2 children for them lunch money, she have to spend on JUTC. And it takes them and her 3 hours to get to school. So you impact our cost of living. You impact productivity in the country. And you impact the quality of life. So you can't say so what. You can't say so what. And you know why you can't say so what? Because the people who use JUTC are the most marginalized in our society from the lowest socioeconomic groupings. So when you allow JUTC to run down like that, when you allow it to run down like that, right, where you're operating at 30% of the capacity,